You guys like to have an adventure? I'm ready for an adventure. Today's adventure is going to be fishing. Now, I need to tell a little bit of a backstory, okay, before we get this video started. And yes, I do live on a busy road. Okay, the backstory is I've been fishing multiple times. I haven't caught the first fish for 2021 yet. I don't know, call it bad luck, bad timing. I don't know. So I'm pulling out all stops today. I'm coming up with all the bait I've ever used over last year. I'm also changed the hooks on my fishing pole. Not that that was the problem. And I'm going to give it, during the stormy, yeah, I'm out here with my dog. I'm going to give it the whole day. Now, there's another thing I want to tell you is going to happen in the video, but, well, I'll tell you that now. Today is going to be the first extremely hot day of the year. The first one. Now, I did a video back in the wintertime when I was walking at the park of the coldest day, I believe, of this year. And we'll get more into that when we get to the fishing hole. I made multiple videos of me fishing, but I never aired them. I canceled them. I deleted them. Because I'm tired of making a video of me fishing and not catching fish. That's why you guys haven't seen a fishing video or fishing adventures. That's exactly why. But today we're going to catch them. I don't give a damn. We're catching fish today. And we're going to catch a lot of them. That's right. Alright guys. It's going to be a whole day of fishing. We're going to go down there and fish until it starts getting really, really hot. Then we're going to take a lunch break, come home, have a layover for a few hours, and go back for an evening fish. And this may be a long video. But then again, it may not. I think the only thing long about this video is the intro that I'm doing now, because I'm not going to do much videoing until I start catching them. But I do want to do something when we get there, when it gets really bitter hot this evening. Yeah, bitter hot this evening. I made a video back beginning of wintertime, the coldest day of the year, and I made that video, and a part of that video I was saving to put in the first hot day of the summer. Yeah, we'll probably do that later on this afternoon. Alright guys, I got a lot of stuff to get to the car. Yeah, the car. I got 27 miles to drive. I think 30, 27 or 30. I gotta get my doggy to go poo. And we'll see you at Versailles State Park. Real quick here, if you guys ever wonder why I wear the same shirt when I do my hikes and fishing, it's real easy. I own 3 of these. And the reason I wear this shirt, they are the best shirts I've ever owned for hiking, fishing, to keep your body cool. So it ain't technically the same shirt, but technically it is. It's 3 of my own. So if you ever wonder why that is, I prefer to do my hikes in this particular shirt. Well, not this one. One of the 3. Alright, I see you up there. I'm here to tell you, fish are jumping like crazy. Oh yeah, by the way, we're out here. Let me show you something real quick. A big, huge fish just jumped right in through here. And we got here, another huge fish jumped down there. So, guys, we're not going to waste any more time. We're getting our poles out there. Okay? Or at least our lines. And this GoPro is heavy on this hat. Just saying. We're catching them today. Oh, yeah. All around, I say within about 5 feet from our shoreline. Big fish coming up out of the water. Oh, the fish seem to be very active. If I'm going to catch anything for 2021, today will be the day. Watch me just jinx myself. Alright guys, oh, did you see that one jump out there? Okay, I'm not going to do any more video until I catch the first fish. I tell you what, we're getting bites. Haven't caught anything yet, but it is very active. Snakes, big carp, and as you notice, this thing hanging right here. So I'm going to change hooks on the pole I call Roscoe. I think if a bigger hook, I might be able to catch some of these bigger carp. At least that's what I'm thinking. But I'm waiting for it. It's when I bring them in next. Then I'm going to change over hooks. Oh, there's a snake. See the snake there, guys? There's a snake. Where the hell's he going? Oh, there's the snake. Here he is. He's coming up on the shoreline, probably. Holy. I haven't had a chance to tell you what happened. I caught the first fish for 2021. That's right, a channel cat. I will run that footage in just a second. I've been busy. Oh my gosh. Get a bite here, get a bite there, and that big ass carp over there is still jumping. Angie's over there right now. He's right there in the water. You can see him right there. Look at him, he's stuck in the weeds. See that? Big ass carp. I imagine it's a grass carp. But let me run that footage right now and we see you on the next fish. First fish for 2021, guys. And I think it's a cat. I'm not sure. Pull it over here. Yep, it is a channel cat.
He's a pretty one.
That's a beautiful channel cat. Look at that. He's a beauty. All right, let me take this out of his mouth and get this back out there again. We're going to fish again. First fish of 2021 right here. Today's going to be a two-parter. Just so you don't have a 30-minute video each. Now, I'm still going to do the 30-minute videos, but they're more so for the hikes. So it's going to be a two-parter. First part is what we do here this morning. Second part, what we be doing this evening. So I'm going to try not to put much on here unless I catch them and I run it with the GoPro. Sorry, I'm watching my lines because it is very active. Here at Versailles State Park, man, it's working. Lots of bites, lots of play baby action. That's why I call the carps, the grass carp that's jumping up and out of the water. I think I got some of that on GoPro. And we're still getting lots of action. But I haven't caught any more than that one fish. But you know what? It's not over, man. It's not even close to being over. We're going to finish out the morning. Then we're going to go home and get some lunch. And come back this evening. Then I will start video number 2. But yeah, I'm stoked. I'm just stoked. I'm happy. It's happening. The water's finally warming up. The fish are very active. And you can't deny the beauty. And yes, that's my wife. She's pretty too. But you can't deny the beauty, man. Sitting out on the lake. And I could get a bite any second now. Sitting out on the lake and just enjoying an afternoon. Well, it's morning. We're going to give it about another 40 minutes, maybe 45, then we'll call it for the morning and come back this evening. It is definitely happening. It is. It's it's remarkable. I haven't really caught any more besides that channel cat, but you know, got 45 more minutes and I got this evening. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to wear the chest mount when I come back. I prefer the head mount. I'll be back. Okay, now that the GoPro's back on the head, like I was going to say earlier, and I got to watch my lines, because it's happening. I'm telling you now, it's happening. What'll happen is one line to get a hit and the other one to get a hit. Yeah. It's keeping you on your toes. But this evening when I come back, I'm going to probably have to wear the chest mount, because this gets awful hot. But then again, this sun, the way it is, I don't, even with suntan lotion on my bald head, I don't want to get burnt. When I do the trails and I do my normal walking, at least I'm, you know, moving. Just sit in one place, yeah, that's when you could get sunburned, even with suntan lotion on. So, plus it's easier to wear this mount on my head with the hat than it is the chest mount. That chest mount just makes it feel like somebody's crushing me. I don't like that feeling. Alright, maybe we'll catch another one. Okay, real quick here, I want to run a video clip I did last winter, the coldest day of the year last winter. I was walking at the park, and summer and fishing season seems so far away. I'm going to run that clip right now. Mike! Dude, what are you doing right now? You probably have a fishing pole in your hand. You're probably with your beautiful, lovely wife, which is my wife too, and you're fishing. But is it hot? Mike, is it really hot? Because right now in your past, it's the middle of February and it's freaking cold. So Mike, listen to me, Mike. How bad is it? Do you really, really, really like the day you're having? Or do you kind of wish it was cold like it is now, Mike? I just want to know, because right now, that day that you're sitting there, right now, your time is what I'm thinking of, Mike. This is what I'm thinking of. I just want to know, are you thinking of this right now, Mike? Tell me, Mike, tell me. Is it a freaking beautiful day? Is it warm? Is it too hot? Tell me how you feel. Well, to answer your question, Michael, in my past, it is warm. It is hot, but it's beautiful, man. I'm getting bites from one pole to the next. Caught 2 channel cats. And we're coming back out this evening. I know how much it sucked for you that day. Because fishing, summertime fun seems so far away, Michael. Alright, guys. I had to answer myself from the past. You know, I've been holding on to that clip all the way from January or February. I can't remember when. But I've been holding on to that clip that long. Just for this moment. Because it is definitely hot. Sorry. I'm watching my lines. Alright, we're going to continue back fishing, and I need a water. Ah, he let go. Dang, blast it. It's okay, I'll go back after him again. Let's see, how much worm do I have? I got a little bit of worm, so we'll go back after him again.
Oh, got that just in time.
Yeah,
Another
okay.
catfish.
Woo-wee. Number 2. Yeah, we just got the GoPro battery changed just in time. We're talking, Angie's holding it, as you can see, just in time. Oh yeah. Seems like every one of my video clips are done from the chair. But when we come back this evening, we're going to try to get the spot way down yonder, if nobody's there. That's our other favorite spot besides where we're at now. Yeah, we're going to give it a little bit longer. We'll go home and get some lunch, get cooled off a little bit, and come back this evening. But that will be on Wednesday's video, y'all. And then we're going to go do a beautiful waterfall hike. Yeah, that's in the plans too. But you won't see that till Friday. Right now we're going to finish up fishing. If I catch any more, I get it on here. If I don't, then I give my closing. Another snake right there, guys. Right there. Another water snake. There he goes. Yep. Alright, this will conclude today's fishing adventure. But the next one, you will have another fishing adventure. It'll be on your Wednesday. Oh, it'll be that Wednesday. Because we're coming back this evening, we're going to make another fishing adventure. And then, that Friday, we would do a fall adventure, the falls. We're going to a place called Anderson Falls. I think that's the name of it. We're going to do some hiking. Whew, I've had too much sun, can you tell? We're going to do some hiking and just exploring. But we're coming back here tonight and do some fishing. You dang straight we is. But we're going home and get some yum-yums. Possibly make a little bit more dough ball. Put the worms in the refrigerator. And come back out this evening. Alright guys, until next time, thanks for watching. Come on, let's get out of here. We'll see you on our next adventure, which will be fishing again.